This mHelp clip has 11 steps. 1. Click the Windows Vista Start button. 2. In the search box, type the word sound. Vista will return your search results. 3. Under Programs, double-click Sound. A dialog box will appear. 4. Click the Sounds tab. 5. In the display box below Program, scroll to New Mail Notification and click. 6. Click Browse. 7. Browse to the file you want to use. 8. Click the file you want to use. 9. Click Open. 10. Click Apply. 11. Click OK. This concludes the mHelp clip.